Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create AI animation video using images like this. So if you want to create AI animation video like this, please subscribe and share to your friends if you find this video useful. For creating the AI animation video, we have to open Google Labs Whisk website. For opening this website, we have to use VPN. So you have to download any VPN and connect to the VPN. So some of the countries, this website will not be available. For that only we need to use VPN. So after the connection, you have to open the website. So after opening the website, you can just close your VPN connection. So it will not create any problems. So first we need to create an image. So this will be the platform for creating the image. And this will be the platform for creating the videos using the images. So first we need to create an image. For that you have to open ChatGPT. So it will create prompt for us. So you just need to log in. So after creating the account in the ChatGPT, you just need to generate image prompt. I'm going to create a superhero story with ultra realistic 4K HD images. Along with animation prompt, we need to create animation prompt also. For each image, one animation prompt. So it will create the story along with images and animation prompt. So you just need to copy the image prompt and then you have to paste the prompt in Whisk. And then you can see the option like aspect ratio. You just need to select your aspect ratio and then you can see the option like lock in and lock out. If you lock in, it will create similar images output. If you lock out, it will create variety of images. And then you have to select best quality. So after that, you just need to generate the images. Our images are successfully generated. If you want, you can download the images. It will download your image in the background. In this, there are three options: subject, scene, and style. Subject is nothing but if you want to create similar images output or similar characters, you can use subject. So you just need to drag and drop your image in the subject. So it will analyze the image. Then it will create similar output. Or if you want similar style of images like ultra realistic, you just need to drag and drop your image. It will create images like that. So after that, we just need to copy paste the second image prompt. So I'm going to create second images. So our second images are successfully generated. So this is how you can generate unlimited AI images in Google Labs. Now we are going to discuss about how to generate animation from these images. For that, you just need to select any one of the image and then we need to copy the animation prompt from the ChatGPT. After that, you have to paste the animation prompt and then you just modify some of the text based on your animation. After that, you just need to generate. So it will generate your animation prompt. You have to wait for that. So our video animation is successfully generated. You have to play that. So animation prompt is very suitable for this image. So this is how you can create animation prompt using Whisk. So I'm going to show you another example. For this, we have to create another set of images. You have to copy paste the image prompt and then you have to generate the images. So our images are successfully generated. So we are going to animate this image. Now we need to copy paste the animation prompt. So I have to copy paste and then you need to generate the animation. So after 40%, it will generate your animation. So our animation is successfully generated. So based on your prompt, the animation will be good. If you type good prompts, it will generate good images. So this is how we can create AI animation video using images in Google Labs. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.